Stop it! Stop! Stop! Stop it!
April 18th, 2025. Midnight. This Safeway just turned into a powder keg. When that bottle flies, the talking is done. He is looking for a fight. Here is the 911 call that kicked it all off.
911, what's the address of the emergency?
840 East Dunn, Safeway.
Yes, sir. What's going on?
I have a gentleman in here. He's walking around with a kitchen knife and a bottle of wine. I asked him...
Is he inside the store?
He's inside the store.
Has he brandished the knife to anybody?
No, but I asked him why he was carrying a knife, and he just looked at me and walked away.
Now, just for the male, does he appear to be maybe like mentally unwell?
Seems like it. You have to just stare at people.
He's staring at people?
Mm.
Okay.
The 911 call is done. Now it is time to go in. A guy with a knife acting weird is a total coin toss for any officer. They are walking in blind. Let us see how the first deputy on scene handles this mess.
He hasn't done anything, just walking around with a knife? Bring less lethal. Less lethal. 2-7, I'm going to be out with the manager. There is going to be a BM walking around with a kitchen knife and a bottle of wine. Do me a favor, ma'am. Can you go that way? Can you guys go that way, please? One 153. Can you bring the shield, please? Hey, firm. I'm trying to get the employees out. You want to drop the knife for me? Want to drop it? So far, refusing commands. Drop the knife.
The buddy talk is just a move to keep the lid on. A knife is bad news at close range. That shield is there for a reason. It is all about buying enough room to stay alive.
Hey, can you guys all get out of the store for me, please? Yeah. Everybody, can you guys all get out of the store? Hey, which way did he go? Hey, buddy, drop it.
Come on,
drop it, buddy.
Hey, stop. Come
what
on,
are you doing? What are you doing?
No more. You're not in trouble, man.
You're not in trouble. They just don't want you back.
You're not in trouble. Come on.
Put the knife down.
What are you doing, bro?
You need to obey our commands.
What are you doing? You know you're gonna get. This is a lot worse, right? We're literally just trying to talk to you. Hey, what happened? What happened? Did he hit you? Did he hit you?
Drop the knife. Drop the knife.
Drop it.
Drop the knife. Failure to comply with our commands may result
Drop
in
it.
charge.
Hey, you're gonna get tased.
Drop
You're
it.
gonna get tased. Get him, Eddie. You're gonna get tased. Failure to listen to my commands will result in force or deadly force used against
He
you.
hit one of the employees back here, Sergeant Silva. Did he stab you or did he hit you? Did he stab you or hit you?
Drop the weapon.
Drop the knife.
Hey, he stabbed him that way.
Stop! Stop it now! Stop it! Stop! Stop! Stop it! Shots fired.
Shots fired.
This floor is now a skating rink of wine and broken glass. It is messy and it is dangerous. One slip on this slick floor and an officer is done for. This is pure chaos, and there is no easy way to end it.
Do it, man. Don't do it. 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 You're gonna lose, man. What are you doing? What are you doing? There's deputies everywhere. There's deputies everywhere, man. Just get down on your knees. Just get down. It's over. Just get down. It's over, man. Come on. You want to fight? Well, get down. All right, you're going to lose, bro. You're going to lose. You're going to lose. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Don't do it. Stop. You're gonna. 270 shots fired. Get down. Stop. 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 Just stop. Get down. Get down on your knees. Stop. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down.
Stop! Stop! We want to get you help. I'm going taser!
Hey, stop, okay? Come on, we want to help you.
Stop!
Your stomach.
Anybody else got a taser or anything?
Get on your stomach.
Slippery. Stop! Stop!
Wash the gloves, wash the gloves.
He's got my camera. Get out of the way.
I'm slippery. Anybody got a cuff? Get one cuff here. Stop!
Turn around.
We'll get you on, we'll get you on.
There's a cuff?
Okay, get cuff.
Cuff.
Go ahead.
Here's another one.
I got the other one.
Come on.
Alright.
Turn around.
The suspect Hillman is now facing serious heat for his actions inside that Safeway. We are talking multiple felonies, including assault with a deadly weapon on a police officer. Just look at this blade. This is not some small pocket knife. It is over 13 inches of cold steel. When a guy is swinging that around in a crowded store, the law does not play around. In court, it all comes down to the Graham versus Connor standard. Was the force reasonable? When you factor in this massive knife, a prior stabbing, and a bottle used as a missile, the answer is a hard yes. Tactically, the officers did their best. They used the buddy talk and shields to work the problem. But you just cannot reason with a brain that has already checked out. Psychologically, that blank stare was a total mental break. He was not processing commands. He was just gone. The lesson here is simple. Real life is not a movie. One slip on a floor covered in wine and glass, and things turn into a nightmare fast. If you see someone this far gone, do not play hero. Just clear out and call the law. Now, we want to hear from you. Did these officers show too much patience, or did they handle it just right? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read them all. For more deep dives into life behind the badge, hit that subscribe button and join the crew. We appreciate you being here. Stay safe, stay sharp, and we will see you on the next one.